Toronto's condo market is currently facing challenges, reminiscent of the 1990s crash. However, a new report sheds light on key differences this time around. The Canada Mortgage and Housing Corporation, CMHC, notes declining sales and rising inventories, with many investors feeling financial pressure. But what's happening now is different. The current economy has rebounded post-pandemic, particularly in finance, healthcare, and technology. Historical patterns show similar population growth in the late 80s and today, both fueled by immigration. In the late 1980s, Toronto's population grew rapidly. In 1989, it was at 3.3%, and in 2024, it reached a record 3.9%. High demand led to inflationary pressures then, just as they do now. Between 2020 and 2021, real home prices grew at an annual average of 13%. This rapid growth fueled investor enthusiasm. However, to combat inflation, the Bank of Canada raised interest rates, weakening the market. The results were troubling: declining sales, soaring unsold units, and increased difficulties for investors selling condos at profits. Unlike past rates hikes that led to a severe recession, today's interest hikes are expected to result in only a mild recession, with limited housing market impact. In the early 90s, the effects were harsh. A severe two-year recession followed, leading to drastic job loss. The CMHC emphasizes today's market is more stable thanks to stringent lending rules enacted post-crises of the 90s and the 2008 mortgage fallout. Now developers must sell a minimum of 70% of pre-construction units to secure funding, a stark contrast to the past. Typically, they sell 80% of units, with recent figures soaring over 90%. Additionally, a robust mortgage stress test lessens potential downturn effects, keeping delinquency rates lower. The CMHC reassures that today's condo market is not on the same trajectory as the 90s. Periodic price fluctuations are common, but the current landscape indicates a more balanced future. The decline in condo starts suggests an available inventory post-2026. In summary, while Toronto's condo market faces challenges, the present conditions and regulations are ensuring a more robust recovery than what was experienced in the past. Keep an eye on the market changes and consider how this might affect your investments.